Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm super excited to announce that I just recently bought this BMW M2 and wow, I'm just godsmacked. This is a 2024 M2 BMW Portimao frozen, or should I say backward, frozen Portimao blue. A lot of people don't like the new M2, the G87, which I got, but to me this is a great car, and I've been saving up to buy this car, in particular this type of color. Now I just couldn't believe the deal I got for this car. Bought it for $63,000 or slightly higher with taxes. Couldn't be more happier, and yeah, I just drove this car straight from the dealership, and I gotta make a quick video. So one of the things I want to do with this car is there's so many right now I can't even comprehend, but right now supposedly I bought the wrong color. It's a matte paint, which is hard to upkeep, so we're gonna fix that. So one of my first mods will be doing the PPF, the polyurethane cover. So essentially it's a clear coat or clear plastic that covers the mat, so it'll be easier to maintain. So that'll be the first thing I want to do with this car. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I don't want to do too many mods. It's under warranty still, so I don't want to go crazy with it. But yeah, I'm just couldn't believe it. It's in my hands now. Been dreaming about this car, so thinking about doing some road trips, obviously, with this car. Maybe some road racing and time trials. So being in Europe, I'm blessed with having a lot of tracks to go to. So yeah, so many things I have planned for this car. Yeah, definitely be on the lookout for further videos. But I just wanted to share with you guys my dream car, and I'm super stoked with it. And with that, I'll see you guys on the next video.